Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow, CZT, Certified Zentangle Teacher. And I glued in my pages and I posted my video and I got a question on how many pages are in each signature. And so I decided I should post again. But I have to tell you, I also worked on my book. So I put a few, just some little, my lighting isn't, let's see if we can fix my lighting. It's a little strange this morning. But I did a page, and it's got some pockets, and I just embellished it with my own tangling, and I have so many tiles that I really needed to get them in something. So I am excited about the book. So back to the question, how many pages are in my signature? Okay, there's my signature right there. So we'll count the pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'm not going to count this one because it's and I'm going to show you how I did that one. It's a faux rice paper. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I said I had 6 to 8 pages. You know, it varies. Some of these pages are a thinner, they're just a scrapbook paper, and some of them are thicker cardstock. And I also put in some of my little sayings so that I can tangle on them. Let's see, this one, the other half of that is, let's see if I can find it. Should be right back here. It's a compass. There it is. That's the other half of that one that I will tangle around when I get to it. But I had fun putting those old tangle patterns that I had worked on that I had not framed or done anything. So I'm very excited about the book. And I've seen junk journals done with where they use rubber stamps in here. But as a tangler, I really wanted to do one that had my own work in it. And then also places I could go back and do some journaling. I'm way in love with bookmarks and tags. So you can see I've got lots of pages to go. I will show you what I put in my other signatures. I don't think I showed everyone that. But I used brown paper and white paper. There's another one of my tangles. Some double-sided scrapbook paper. Another scrapbook paper. Just some white cardstock. There's one that's got a tangle on it. This one was the center. And the brown is really hard to see on the camera. But there's the other tangle. So you see the other sides of my scrapbook paper. And I have 3 signatures in this book. There's the journal. And I am planning on doing how I do each page so that you can follow along and fill your journal with pages. This one I put just a piece of paper in the end of it. And I've made a couple of these. And but they are, it's going to be a fun journey. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for that question. And Have a great day.